Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can keep a Gmail label shortcut right on your home screen of the mobile. See, this is on my Android mobile. I'll tap on this. Okay. Without getting into the primary tab or the social tab or the updates tab, it directly opens into the promotion tab. This is because I have created a shortcut for the Gmail label called promotions. Likewise, you can also create a Gmail label for the easy and quick access right on your home screen. How you can do that? Press and hold on your home screen of the Android mobile so that you will see something like add widgets or widgets option. Tap on that. So under widgets, in the alphabetical order, search for the Gmail. So Gmail is here. So tap on the Gmail. Actually, there are two options to keep widgets. One is normal inbox method. Another is the Gmail label method. So you need to select this label. Okay, not selected. Drag and drop here. It will ask you to choose a particular email account what you have on your mobile. I have 3 email accounts, that's why I choose one of them. If there is only one Gmail account on your mobile, you can directly choose from this. And now if I say something like primary, anything you can give the name here, you can edit the name whatever it may be, but yes, I'll just keep it to primary and I'll click on done. See here, now if I tap on this, the primary Gmail directly gets opened. But usually primary is always available in this Gmail. Other than that, if you want social label or any other label, you can keep it. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.